Boys and girls, I'm back. I knew that you requested this video because I heard you saying it. I just heard that you wanted to be a part of this video because the learning is amazing. All right, so so want to do another quick video for you about translations. Okay, so the glasses are off because what I'm seeing is that there is a super glare with the glasses. So then what happens is you can't really see me that well. And I feel bad for you. So I'm going to go ahead and just make this video real quick, trying to go for 4 minutes or less. So translation. So back on Desmos here, you can see I've got a couple of points that I've already kind of pre-labeled for you. Now, the two most important ways that you might see a translation are, number one, actual directions. 4 units up, 3 units left, 5 units to the right, 6 units down. That's the one way that you're going to see a translation. The second way that you're going to see it is if you see my mouse kind of hovering over here, you're going to see it in the form of this X plus or minus a number and then Y plus or minus another number. So what's happening is basically you're just taking the value, the X value here, and you would add 2 to it. And then this Y value, whatever that Y value started as, you're going to subtract 4 from that as well. Now, if you're really good with directions on the coordinate plane here, remember that the x-axis is the right and left axis, the kind of right and left bold line, and the y-axis is the up and down bold line. So plus 2 on the x-axis, or plus any number for that matter, means I'm going to the right. Okay, so I would just take the point that was already there and move it 2 to the right. This one here, minus 4, remember that y is up and down. So negative means down. Okay, so then I would take the point and go down 4. So let's go ahead and do a couple of problems here. And I'm just going to do one to start, and then I'll go over to this second type of seeing a translation. So I've got a point 5, comma 5. And remember from last video, I'm going 5 units to the right and 5 units up. That's how that works. X, then Y. So let's go ahead and translate it, 2 units right and 5 units up. So I would just take this point and go 2 units right, 1, 2. I don't want to make a point yet though, because if I make a point now, that's only a 2 unit right translation. Remember what the original translation was, 2 units to the right and 5 units up. So then I'm going to take a turn, go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my new point is going to be right here. And that new point is 7, comma 10. Okay. So that's directions with the translations. Now, let's go ahead and just do all 4 of these real quick with this rule right here, x plus 2, y minus 4. So remember that I'm taking the x value of 5, adding 2 to it. That gives me 7. And then this x value of 5, I'm going to subtract 4 from it. I'm sorry, this y value of 5, I'm going to subtract 4 from it and get 1. So my new point will be 7, comma 1. Now, we have a point on the graph. Let's just go ahead and use these coordinates here, these rules here, and see what happens. X plus 2 means plus 2 on the right, and then minus 4 means down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now my new point is 7, comma 1. I did not want to do that. Just like we had said originally. So 7 to the right and 1 up. Okay? Negative 1, comma 0. Now, this point here, remember, the x value of negative means I'm going to go to the left one, and 0 means I don't go anywhere. 0 means I don't go up or down. So that is somewhat tricky, and I hope that you guys have a good enough understanding right now that whenever you see a 0, it just means you don't go anywhere on that axis. So in this case, because it's y, I'm not going to go up or down at all. I'm going to go up or down 0. So let's go ahead and use this point. So x plus 2. Well, negative 1 plus 2 is 1. So I would go to the right 2 units. And now the 0, I'm going to go 0 minus 4. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking the value and substituting it or plugging it in to where this y is, and then I'm going to make that subtraction problem happen. So the new point is going to be 1, comma, negative 4. Negative 2, comma, negative 7. So if I have negative 2, comma, negative 7 down here in purple, right, I'm going to go right 2, so 1, 2, which is now at the 0 location on x. And I'm going to go down 4. Well, it's already negative 7. So I'm just going to go down 4 more. So I'm going to subtract them. So negative 7 minus 4 is negative 11. So down 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my new point, now this point is interesting. This point is 0, comma, negative 11. Because I didn't go right or left on the x-axis at all. And I have a point that's right there, and I'll prove it to you. So I got 0, comma, negative 11. I think I said negative 4 before, sorry. So 0, comma, negative 11 is this new point. So I translated the purple point based on this rule, x plus 2, y minus 4, and got down to here. Okay? Okay. Last one, 8, comma, 4. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. 8, comma, 4 is over here in red. Hi, 8, comma, 4. Click. Okay. Again, x plus 2, y minus 4. So I'm going to go right 2. Down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to be at this location here. What is this location? I wish I was YouTube live right now so I could get some responses from you. But that's coming, boys and girls. Trust me. So I've got 10, comma, 0 here. That's my new point. So again, I'll prove it to you. So we got the coordinate pair of 10, comma, 0. And it's in green. Because I'm going 2 to the right, 4 down. All right. Hopefully that was super fun for you. I know it probably was. All right. See you in class. Bye.